Okay. Thank you, Mookie. Thank you for the 100. Where'd it go? 92 is the move. Only move. Only move is 92. Otherwise, white is worse. Okay. That was very, very nice game. I mean, I was about to choke it, but then I got lucky there in the tactics. The hilarious thing would be if Magnus accepted now. That's not the move. Because of h6 and knight f6, I think. That's the idea. Yeah, this I know. Black should be slightly better here because you can. Well, maybe it's equal. Rook d1 equal probably. Okay, rook d1. So I don't have to rush with taking. Well, I actually kind of do. Rook d5. Otherwise, he goes rook c1, and then I'm in trouble. So this is bishop b6, I guess. Just develop the bishop with tempo. This is all very normal, so I'm playing fast. And now rook ac8. He probably wins the pawn. f5 looks very tempting here. f5 looks good. Just going for the advantage here.
Oh, I'm down.
Okay, so f4 doesn't do anything. Thank you, 100 Mormon.
I'm down 2 minutes. Okay,
Probably I should play b6 to cover. Prepare f4.
Oh, he wants f4. Okay.
So I'm probably gonna go rook d6. Yeah, rook d6. Let's go here. Rook ac1 maybe is annoying. Rook c1. And I take maybe f8.
I will go knight e1.
Knight e1. Okay.
Rook d1.
Makes a lot of sense. It's still probably equal, honestly. I don't think I'm better.
I'm going to lose bunch of ratings tonight, so it doesn't matter.
Let's go rook c4 to compel him to take.
Takes, bishop d2. Wait, bishop c3 takes.
Let's go here.
Knight g2, knight
freeze the
d4.
pawns. Let's get the king up. Yeah, knight g2. I shouldn't have allowed any of this. No.
Thank you, Rash Daddy. No, for the prime.
Thank you, guys.
Takes. 93.
Okay, I gotta disable the alerts though.
Let's
Thank
go
you, everybody.
H4. Thank you, Pendero Tanguan, for 3 months. Thanks so. Pendero Tanguan. Rook d2. Danya is going to flag me so bad here. So unfairly.
Should probably push our pawns.
Knight f4. Check. I will take the round. Okay, he goes there. Knight g2. Oh, rook c2 is just winning.
Yeah, he can take, but I don't think this works.
Yeah, king c2, yeah.